Viofo A229 Pro has claimed the top spot as the best overall dash cam of 2025, offering a perfect combination of advanced features, exceptional performance, and great value. This dual-channel dash cam records in stunning 4K resolution for both the front and rear cameras, ensuring crystal clear footage from every angle. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, the A229 Pro excels in low light and nighttime conditions, capturing critical details even in dim settings. The wide dynamic range feature further enhances clarity, ensuring no detail is lost in high-contrast lighting situations. What sets the Viofo A229 Pro apart is its suite of smart features designed to protect you on and off the road. Its built-in GPS ensures accurate tracking of your speed and location, while the buffered parking mode and G-sensor provide reliable surveillance when your vehicle is parked. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the dash cam makes it easy to transfer and manage footage via your smartphone. It also supports high-capacity memory cards, allowing for extended recording without the worry of running out of space. The Viofo A229 Pro is not only about delivering incredible video quality, but also about providing a seamless user experience. Its intuitive interface and well-designed companion app make it easy to customize settings, review recordings, and manage files. The dashcam's voice notification system is another standout feature, alerting you to critical events such as interrupted recordings or memory card error, ensuring you're always aware of the device's status. Moreover, the dual-channel system supports simultaneous front and rear recording without sacrificing resolution or frame rate, giving you comprehensive coverage for ultimate protection. Durability and reliability are other key strengths of the A229 Pro. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it a dependable option in diverse climates. The inclusion of a supercapacitor ensures consistent performance and a longer lifespan compared to traditional battery-powered dashcam. Its sleek design ensures a discreet installation, allowing it to blend seamlessly into your vehicle. For all these reasons, the Viofo A229 Pro stands out as a top-tier option for anyone looking to invest in a dependable, high-performing dashcam for daily commutes, road trips, or added security.